half of the p-value. So negative 2x plus 1, plus 2 equals y plus 1 squared. We are close. We have the y plus 1 squared. I need to know what to factor out of the x. I have a negative 2x. I want 1x, which means I need to factor out a negative 2. In order to do this, I divide each term by a negative 2. This is tricky because you're dividing by a negative. So here we get a regular x. 2 divided by negative 2 is negative 1. There we go. So we have y plus 1 squared equals negative 2 times x minus 1. All right. That is our equation. Here the y is getting squared, so it is a horizontal axis. The p-value is going to be negative because this is negative. So our graph is going to look something like this. Well, let's go ahead and say the vertex first. The vertex, the x number is the opposite of the x. So the x number is going to be positive 1. The y number is the opposite of the y, so negative 1. 1 comma negative 1. So let's go here. Whoop, whoop. I don't know how to do a whoop in a British accent, I'm sorry. Did not do my studying. So 1 and negative 1, that's our vertex. We are opening to the left because it's a negative. Yeah, that's just bad with the British accent. I apologize for that. The axis in this case is going to be a horizontal axis. So the axis is y equals the y number of the vertex. There we go. So now we need the focus in the directrix. In order to find the focus in the directrix, we need the p-value. So we look at this, the negative 2. Negative 2 equals 4p. We solve for p, and it's always whatever number we factored out of the linear part. So negative 2 equals 4p. We're going to divide by 4 on each side. That gives us negative 1/2 equals p. And we're going to go left and right 1/2. So the x value is going to change because it's horizontal. So the focus, because we are opening to the left, because that was negative, we're going to go left 1/2. So the x value is 1. 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2, comma negative 1. And the directrix is going to be at, well, 1/2 to the right of 1. 1 plus 1/2 is y. Sorry, not y. X equals, it's a vertical line. X equals, I looked at the axis on accident. X equals 3/2. Or you could say x equals 1.5. So, please email me if you have any questions. This should help you with the 5 problem assignment that you have. I believe that's it. I'll assign some bonus problems as well to keep your brains working nicely. Have a wonderful day. I hope that recorded.